Good Friday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. As we head into the weekend, let's go ahead and take a look at the temperatures outside right now. We've got 48 degrees up in Boone coming in as the cool spot on the map. 55 degrees at the Mid-Carolina Airport in Salisbury, and temperatures around the area range anywhere from the upper 40s, like you see up there in Boone, to the low 60s. And there's several areas coming in at 61 degrees this morning, but the warm spot on the map is actually over toward Greensboro, coming in at 63 degrees this morning. Let's go ahead and take a look out there at the tropics and see what we've got going on. So we've got this one area that popped up yesterday that really is no concern to us. It only has about a 20% chance of becoming a named storm. It's basically going to remain what we call a fish storm. And then we've got Fiona right here that we'll go ahead and get in a little closer on. That is a tropical storm right now, and we're keeping an eye on it because as we go through the next couple of days, Fiona is going to move just south of Puerto Rico and start to make her way across the what we call the Hispaniola shredder. And then there's several things that could happen with Fiona as we go in the upcoming days. Let's go ahead and actually turn on this, what we call the spaghetti plots, so you can see most of them are in agreement with the fact that Fiona is going to make the turn north and stay north. If that's the case, and you just kind of map it out, it could brush the east coast of the United States. However, there's still plenty of time for things to happen, and there's also some of these outlying models that are showing the storm taking a turn to the west. If it does, it would weaken as it makes its way west because of going across the Hispaniola shredder and getting kind of torn apart and just kind of diced up into different levels. And storms like this, they don't like that. They like to be at one solid state and level. And when you start getting upslope and things like that come in from the mountains, especially in the Hispaniola region, it starts to really shred those storms apart. That's why it's got that moniker of the Hispaniola shredder. However, if it turns north, it looks like it will strengthen, and as it will avoid that shredder area. And there's also a few outliers showing it turning northeast, which would also allow it to strengthen, but would have zero impact in terms of making landfall anywhere along the East Coast. It would probably create some high surf and things like that. We'll continue to keep an eye on Fiona as we go in the upcoming days, especially through the weekend, and keep you updated on the potential of what this storm could do, especially as we get into late next week, as that would be more of the time frame that we'd have to keep an eye on. But for now, no real big changes to Fiona at this point. Let's go ahead and take a look at those weather headlines out there today. And you can see we've got sunny skies today with highs in the low 80s, a light northeast wind that'll become calm this evening, mostly clear skies this evening with lows in the upper 50s. Today's stats, we've got moderate to high levels of pollen, ragweed, grasses, and chenopod's the main pollen drivers, high levels of UV. So if you're going to be outside for any lengthy period of time today and you're prone to getting a sunburn, make sure you apply some sunscreen. And we've got good air quality out there. So a good day to be outside, especially with those dew points continuing to remain rather comfortable. It'll give us a comfortable feel outside, continuing for at least through the weekend. Today's stats are sponsored by Goodnight's Lawn Care. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and more. For more information on services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. The bus stop forecast as the kiddos head out the door this morning. Clear skies out there. Temperatures around 58 degrees. When they make the return trip home this afternoon, temperature's going to be around 82 degrees with sunny conditions. The mowing forecast continues to show dry levels of activity. That didn't change for some reason. I apologize, but no real changes there. It's green lights all the way through the weekend. The mosquito forecast also didn't change for some reason. I apologize there, but those levels didn't change either through the weekend. We've got high levels of activity. As we take a look at the 7-day outlook, you can see sunny skies all the way through to next Thursday. High temperature today, 85 degrees, low of 59. On Saturday, a high of 84, low of 59. Sunday, a high of 84 with a low of 56. And then those warmer temperatures kick back in starting next week. On Monday, a high of 88 with a low of 60. Tuesday, a high of 91 with a low of 64. Wednesday, a high of 91 with a low of 66. And on Thursday, a high of 95 with a low of 65. The forecast is sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you notice they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first time service call. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Friday. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.